if f of x is continuous on the closed interval ab, and there's a number d that's between the value of the function at a and the value of the function at b, then the intermediate value theorem states that there's at least one number c that's between a and b, such that the value of the function at c is equal to d. So we can see that there can be more than one number c where the function at c evaluates to d. And note that this function must be continuous for the intermediate value theorem to hold. Because if we look at this second case here, for a function as discontinuous on the closed interval from a to b, well, you can see that we can find the number d that's between the value of the function at a and b, but there's no such number c where f of c evaluates to d, as we can see. Let's determine if this function has a solution on the closed interval from 1 to 2. So what we're looking for is a number c such that the function at c evaluates to a number d. And because we're trying to look for a solution, then we set d equal to 0. And the condition that must be satisfied in the intermediate value theorem is that d must be between f of 1 and f of 2. So substituting 1 into the function, we obtain minus 3. And then substituting 2 into the function, we obtain 4. So we can see that d equals 0 is between minus 3 and 4. So we conclude that there's a number c between 1 and 2 that gives the solution to the function. And you can verify this by setting f of x equals 0 and solving the equation.